𝐀𝐩𝐩𝐸 says, don't follow the crowd. Don't let fashion sway you. But decide for yourself what you are and express yourself with your own style of dressing and lifestyle.
We finally found the answer in nature. We have selected the 3 most comfortable and environmentally sustainable fabrics. The fabric becomes more skin-friendly and comfortable, moisture-absorbing and breathable, flexible and wear-resistant, antibacterial and deodorant, UV-proof. We produce with sincerity. Clothing of FIOBOC, made with exquisite craftsmanship, ensures its high quality and equips the fabric with elasticity, shrinking resistance, and stain release. The stylish tech element applied in the logo color of FIOBOC is that it varies with the light.